Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on Vivo Y95. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and click on settings. Now you have to go to Google Assistant and then click on Hey Google and voice match. And then click here to enable your Hey Google feature. Now you have to scroll down and click I agree, then scroll down again and click I agree again, and click next. Now click on voice model and click retrain voice model. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Then click next. And now you can go back and go back again. Now click on lock screen and click yes I'm in. Make sure that this first option stays on. And now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. Okay Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.